Welcome to Hustletech University School of Art and Fashion. In today's class, I'm going to show you the easy process of heat pressing Sisser Glitter vinyl to a black blank. All gas, no brakes, we going in. Let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustletech University is not affiliated, sponsored in any way, shape, or form by the Sisser Company at the time of this video publication. What up, what up? Welcome to Hustletech University. My name is Jesus Cain, independent artist and creative designer behind Hustletech Apparel and Ice Life Luxury Streetwear. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the simple process of heat pressing Sisser Glitter vinyl to a black blank. All gas, no brakes. Let's get it. Okay, for today's class, you need the following materials. You need your design. This is a Sisser Glitter vinyl design that I designed in Silhouette Studio. I cut it in reverse, utilizing the Silhouette Cameo 3. As you can tell, it's already weeded and ready to go. Second, you need a heat press or iron. Sisser Glitter vinyl can be applied with an iron, but for this demonstration, we're going to use a heat press. It's set at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. Third, you need a quality blank. This is a Gildan G500 black blank. And finally, you need a cover sheet. Okay, the first step in this process is that you want to heat your blank up for maybe 3 to 5 seconds to remove any wrinkles or any moisture in the blank. So we're going to do that. Three to 5 seconds. Okay, the next thing I like to do is to fold the blank in half so I can find the absolute center of where I want to put my design. So we're going to press it one more time for about maybe 3 seconds. Okay, now I have a crease right down the center. I know where the absolute center of this t-shirt is, and that's where I'm going to start my design. Put it back on the press. Okay, now that we've pressed out all the wrinkles and we found the absolute center of the t-shirt, you want to place your design 3 to 5 fingers down from the neck. I like to go about 4 fingers. Center your design. Place your cover sheet on top. Okay, we're going to do a tack press just to press the design down first. Maybe about 5 seconds. Now I can just go ahead and release the design. Okay, it's ready to print. You want to replace your cover sheet, back over your design. Okay, now we're going to give the design a complete press for the 15 seconds. Wrong button. Remove the cover sheet. And there it is. In 20 seconds, you have a premium quality blank. All you have to do is add your care instructions, your neck label, maybe a hang tag, and you have a retail quality garment in seconds. Do you have any questions, any concerns or comments about the Sisser Glitter vinyl heat pressing process? Leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality studio equipment for your YouTube channel or clothing brand? Research the links provided in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction if you make a purchase. Thanks in advance. We appreciate you hanging out with us until the end of this class. If you're looking for more helpful tutorials about how to start your own clothing brand, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we're going to show you an independent product review of the Holy Stone DS-110D drone. You're not going to want to miss it. With that being said, this is HustleTech University. My name is Jesus Cain. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, peace.